What if I told you that the colorful alphabet song video you're watching right now could earn hundreds, even thousands of dollars every single month? And the crazy part? I made it in just 2 hours using only free AI tools. No camera, no mic, no animation skills. Stay till the end because I'll show you step by step exactly how to create viral nursery rhyme videos that get millions of views and can turn into your next YouTube income stream.
Hey, hey, all aboard. The train's about to go from A to Z. Let's start the show. Clap.
Step 1. Get your big idea. The secret to a viral kids video. Every viral kids rhyme starts with a simple, fun, and educational idea. Open ChatGPT. Type this prompt. Generate 10 creative ideas for kids' rhymes focused on fun, learning, and playfulness. In seconds, you'll get beautiful ideas like alphabet train adventure, shapes in the sky, wiggle dance parade. Target one that sounds catchy, colorful, and easy to visualize. For example, the alphabet train adventure, fun, energetic, and perfect for kids' attention. Pro tip. Simple titles and repeating words work best for kids and YouTube SEO. Step 2. Write the lyrics automatically. Don't worry about rhymes. AI does it for you. Type this prompt in ChatGPT. Write fun rhyming lyrics for kids titled The Alphabet Train with Dancing and Singing. In seconds, you'll get a full, ready-to-sing song. ChatGPT has written a complete lyrics of song. Read it and review it, and in case of any modification, you can get it improved further. Is it not an amazing song? Step 3. Turn lyrics into music. Free. Go to Suno AI, click Create. Then, 1. Paste your lyrics. 2. Write in style, nursery rhyme. 3. Enter your song title. 4. Click Generate. Wait a few seconds and boom, your song is ready. You'll get 2 versions. Listen and choose your favorite. Download as full MP3, vocals only, instrumental. Tip: try a few styles if it doesn't sound right at first. Suno AI creates songs up to 60 seconds for free. In case of more than 60 seconds, make part of your song and get audio files to be adjusted while video editing. Step 4. Create AI images for each line. Since it is a long song, it can be done in parts, first from A to H, and thereafter from I to onwards. Now we bring it to life visually. We'll generate 1 fun image per lyric line. In ChatGPT, type this. Provide text-to-image prompts and image-to-video prompts to generate 3D animated style images based on the lyrics of the song titled The Alphabet Train Adventure. Each line should have 1 colorful, fun image prompt for kids. Within few seconds, ChatGPT will create image and image-to-video prompts for each lyric of the song. Consider and review them, and thereafter copy all those prompts to be used later on.
Step 5. Generate images, free and global access trick. Go to Picluma AI, make an account, it's free. Select aspect ratio 16:9 and click on Create and paste your prompt and click on Generate button. Now, click Generate. Picluma AI will create your first image. Consider it and review it. You can create unlimited image free from this AI tool. In the same way, create all images one by one and download them for further conversion to video.
Step 6. Animate your images. Since we have already created images for each line of lyrics, Now we'll make them move to turn them into video clip, for which we will use Meta AI's new image-to-video features. It is free for unlimited video clips. It creates 5 seconds video clips, animated as per our instructions, that is prompt for video. We have already have these prompts created from ChatGPT. Therefore, we will use first image creation through Pixar AI and first prompts for video. 1. Go back to Meta AI. 2. Choose video with aspect ratio 16:9. 3. Upload your image. 4. Add an image to video prompt. 5. Download your video clip. Then generate all video clips one by one and download all. Step 7. Edit the full video. Free and easy. Use Canva. Totally free and beginner-friendly. Go to canva.com and create video file with 1920 by 1080 aspect ratio. Upload audio and video clips one by one by clicking on Upload button. Add transition and review it by listen and watching. Make it colorful, bright, and full of movement. Kids love energy. Keep it fast, fun, and musical. When you're done, download video as MP4 format by click on Share button on right top.
For Yak with fluffy hair, yawning and laughing without a care. Z is for Yak with fluffy hair.
Step 8. Upload and grow your channel. That's it. You've just made a complete AI-powered Kids Rhyme video for free. And here's the best part. With this same process, you can create 100+ rhyme videos in different themes and start your own Faceless YouTube channel, one of the most profitable niches right now.